slowly, you can have it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm on ground where the construction of the Umuokpara ring road in Umuahia is currently going on. So before I show you what the road looks like, I want to show you the bridge they are constructing along the road. You know, there is an old bridge in front, but I think they are constructing a new one because the old one is not so good anymore. So I'm going to go around. I'm going to take a little time to show you around what they are doing here. Now if you look there, you will see something like a solid concrete work going on there. The ground was dug and the bridge construction is already going on. The last time I came here, I showed you guys what was happening here. They hadn't gotten to this extent the last time I came here. So this really shows that they are putting a lot of work. So I'm trying to zoom in so you can see what is actually going on there. Now, the construction of a bridge is not something that is easy. It's quite complex. But then, because of the engineers that are well experienced, it will seem as if it's something that is easy, but it's not that easy. Now that's a heavy duty machine over there, and this is a cement mixer here. Now that cement mixer mixes the cement they use in the construction of this bridge. I'm going to still take you down to the old bridge that's behind this new one that's under construction here, so that you can see what the old one used to look like. Like I said, this is Umuokpara Ring Road in Umuahia. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. Don't go nowhere because I haven't showed you the road that is under construction already, the drainage that they have constructed and are still constructing, and so many other things that is going on in the Umuokpara Ring Road. So just patiently watch this video down to the end if you can, and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please help me click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. Now, in the course of constructing a bridge, a lot of iron rods, are being used. You can see a tank, a water tank below, they use for water. And if you look down there, you see concrete, a lot of sand, concrete, iron rods, cement, are being used when they are constructing a bridge. So I'm going to show you the old one. Like I said, this is the environment. There is a stream here. That's why the bridge, the construction of the bridge, is around this particular area due to the stream around here. This part of Umuokpara, I noticed that they have a lot of water. I think I saw swamps and then the stream. I saw more than 2 streams of my way to this place. I saw like 2 streams here in Umuokpara. This particular one made it the second one I actually saw. So I'm going to show you the old bridge, and that's what I'm going right now. You can see the old bridge from here, but I'm going to go closer so you can see what it looks like. Now, over there is also another heavy duty machine. I don't know whether it's trying to grade that other side and then come towards meet the where the new bridge is already springing up. I don't know. And there's a woman in there in the stream. I think she's washing clothes or melon, something like that. You can see how smooth this ground is. I think a lot of work have been done here already. I'm saying this because of the heavy duty machine that you are seeing over there. So guys, this is the Umuokpara Ring Road, and this particular place I am driving now, I think this place is Obodinibe. Yeah, and you can see the stream over there. There are kids there washing, bathing. It reminds me of those days when we used to come back to the village. I would go to the stream and all that. So you can see how the road construction is going. I don't know what they have done here. Maybe a lot of sand have been poured here and rammed with the heavy duty machine. You can see the drainage, 2 sides, not a 1-side drainage. Now this drainage is actually for the purpose of taking all the water when it's raining, so that the water doesn't have to be pouring on the road and start soaking the tar, and there the road start getting bad. So that's why you see drainage whenever they're constructing road. It's a two-side drainage. So watch this video down to the end if you can. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm going to be passing. This should be Umuahia, sorry, not even Obodinibe. This is Umuahia. After Umuahia, then you will now get to Obodinibe, that is in Umuokpara, Umuahia South local government area. This is one of the most politicized roads in Abia. Like some years ago, they said this road was going to be fixed, and we saw a lot of heavy duty machines on site, and it was still not delivered. It has been politicized for so long, but the executive governor of Abia State, His Excellency Governor Alex Otti, promised that this road is going to be delivered. It's no longer going to be used by politicians to campaign and say, I'm going to fix this road, and they wouldn't do it. You have to look for something else to campaign with when you come to do your campaign in Umuokpara. And I think actually now we are in Obodinibe, sorry. Now this is Obodinibe, and there is a primary school over here. I saw some primary schools in Obakala that, was fully under reconstruction, and I just want to believe that it's the government. If it's the government, then they are doing a very good job. Not just roads, they are touching schools and some other infrastructures. So this is Obodinibe in Umuokpara, very, very close to Obakala. Very, very close to Obakala. In fact, once you pass Obakala, you enter Umuahia. After Umuahia, you get to Obodinibe. Okay. There is still a whole lot of work that is ongoing ahead of us. So just watch this video down to the end. You see men at work. You see engineers doing their job. You see contractors, construction workers, sorry, doing their job. So just watch this video down to the end, and you will see for yourself what is going on ahead of us.